And then lesson in C, you've made a good start on this. Nice crisp staccato. Okay, just pick up on that rhythm in the first bar. If we're counting it in 4 beats, 4 quaver beats, bum bum ba da da dum dum da. So make sure the semi-quavers in the first bar fall on a count. Bum bum ba ba da dum. All right, we're sort of wavering a little bit. And then the third bar, you have to be careful because that thumb moves in the left hand, but the right hand, of course, doesn't. It just follows down. So the two things there may be a bit tricky. So work on that. Make sure you're always using the same fingering for each line. Repeat of the same, haven't you? So then looking onto the next page, you've straight away got to get this staccato in one hand and legato in the other. It's a bugbear, that one. So do your little tricky trick, as I call it. The one you want particularly is to do the left hand legato and the right hand. So if you're struggling with this new section to get it started, just do that first. It might just help. Otherwise, just make sure you get the first combination on the first note right, then it should be easier. And again, make sure you get the first one right. You've got to turn your thumb under here in the right hand. It's almost the same on the second line, just slightly different here. Then you're back again, and don't go any further for the moment because I think the last line is a bit different. So a couple of things: the left hand, make sure you've got 2 and 5, 2 and 4, and then 3 and 5. Make sure everything is joined up, regardless of what the right hand is doing. The left hand must stay legato all the way through to the end of that section. The right hand, that's a 6th interval, D to B, G, D, then C to A, okay? F sharps. Now watch this little bit here with the semiquavers, and then the thumb goes under and it joins onto that. The slur goes onto that note, so it's not a jump. It joins onto it, then it's staccato, and that's G, B and D, isn't it? Then the next line, and then slightly different here. We're not turning under, we're going to the G, then I'm going to break before I play the F sharp. Okay, now though it doesn't look like it, I don't know if you can see what I'm pointing to here, that F sharp is of course a semiquaver, and those are semiquavers. So just imagine that's a group of 5 semiquavers. It looks as if that should be separate to that, but actually they're all the same. So just play 5 notes in succession, like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the F sharp must be so those semiquavers must be separated from that first note, that dotted quaver. I'll just go from the bar before, 23, lift and break, then you're back into your first melody. Okay, so if you put that hands together, take it slowly to make sure all the left hand joins up, and you do this turn, and again everything here is joining. Then the right hand is staccato. Next line, short, short, then a long note. Be careful here, join both hands to the end, then lift right hand, lift the left hand in the rest, and then you're back first theme again.